I have my GoPro Hero 10 and I'm with the latest firmware 1.50, and that allows me today to do live streaming, but not on Facebook, just on YouTube. The camera's pretty good, does a good job, and off I go to do my vlog. Not a nice day, another foul day. It's not going to be any light in the house for a long period of time, before an hour or two, and the next day is going to be just like this once again. I went out the other day, put the GoPro on my head, and I stood still, and my video wasn't fluid, smooth enough. It kind of had some motion, which I liked, but it didn't hold true for hyper smooth. In the back seat, you'll see 6 LEDs, 4 retrofits. They're 4 inches, I was going to say, and I couldn't get the 4 out correctly. And the problem is, my 4-inch recessed lights, these don't work. They don't hold, not enough to grab. I went to Lowe's instead to get the lights, and the lights have real short areas to grab against the side. They don't have on the leading edge those clips that will grab correctly. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find something that's going to fit, more like Home Depot than Lowe's. I did my plastering. I got to do some scraping or, sanding. I got to put a little bit more plaster on the wall, joint compound is called, and then I'm ready to, get ready to paint. But before I use the regular paint, which is 54901 by Benjamin Moore, I got to make sure I got some type of primer sealer before I paint with the regular stuff. This was 30 bucks. I had to go get another one that was 20 bucks. They're all in the wrong spot, the wrong prices, so you have to be careful which one you pick. Hopefully this one will work, and if it does, I'm ordering online the rest of my parts. They only come 6, I need 8. Now my hole in the ceiling is 4 inches. That's a little bit over 4 inches, but the 5 and 6 inch will do me just fine. The funny part is, I have upstairs 5-6 inch halos as well. I should have just went upstairs and grabbed the one I had. You never put up recessed lighting? Oh yeah, retrofits are a lot easier. Why? They come already with the socket. All you gotta do is just put them in your existing one and you're done. I did a video before. I put in the top hats, I put in the retros, and I was all done. I ran into a problem or two. I had a joust, I had a beam, and I made mine work, showing you how to make one super compact. The price of a halogen bulb gotta cost just as near as this fixture. So for me, it's a lot easier to put an LED fixture, a recess, up in its place for just about the same price it costs. I'm going to show that how-to, how simple it is for you to retrofit a halo recess light. On that note on fish, check on that video, soon to come. We'll see you on other vlogs, what this was about, sharing the fun out and about. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on other videos to come.